Welcome back to our channel. Today we're thrilled to showcase the ISTON 36-piece Professional Manicure Pedicure Kit. This all-in-one tool is perfect for anyone who wants to achieve stunning nails without the need for a salon visit. Let's explore the features that make this kit a fantastic addition to your nail care routine. The ISTON 36-piece Professional Manicure Pedicure Kit is designed for both efficiency and ease of use. It comes with 11 high-quality stainless steel bits crafted from durable sapphire and felt. These materials ensure that the bits last longer and perform better than plastic options. With this kit, users can effortlessly grind, file, shape, and polish their nails, making it ideal for both hands and feet. One of the most impressive features of this electric nail file is its 4 adjustable speed settings. With speeds ranging from 5,000 to 20,000 RPM, users can tailor their experience to suit their needs. Whether you're working on delicate nails or tackling tough calluses, this tool provides the versatility required for a perfect finish. The forward and reverse direction options also enhance usability, making it accessible for everyone. Portability is a key highlight of the ISTON kit. It's lightweight and cordless, offering up to 18 hours of use on a single charge. The built-in LED light is a thoughtful addition, illuminating your workspace for precise results. This means you can enjoy a professional quality manicure or pedicure wherever you are, whether at home or on the go. Additionally, the kit includes a USB charging cable, making it compatible with various power sources. You can easily charge it using a power bank, laptop, or even a car charger. This flexibility ensures that you can maintain your nails anytime, anywhere, making it perfect for busy lifestyles. In conclusion, the ISTON 36-piece Professional Manicure Pedicure Kit is an excellent investment for anyone serious about nail care. With its high-quality materials, adjustable speeds, and portability, it delivers salon-quality results right at home. Don't forget to check the link in the description for more details. Thank you for watching. If you found this review helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more product insights. Have you tried the ISTON Manicure Kit? We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Remember, beautiful nails are just a kit away. Happy pampering!